Pressure washing removes the dirt and prevents walls from getting dirty. Dirty natural organic matter, muscles and lichens cling to damp conditions. When this organic matter dies, it sticks to the wall, creating a runny appearance. We can use pressure washing to remove dirt. To avoid the recurrence of dirt, we can use elastic material to prevent dirt from being painted on the wall. It is the only waterproof material in the world that can resist dirt. This material has been tested many times to see how effective it is. Subscribe to channel, share the latest waterproof technology trends.